Okay, smile. Okay, what is your name? What is your name, baby? Tell me your name. What's your name? Tell me. Tell us your name. Come on, Saya. So you talk to us. Tell me your name. So after this, you can go now. What's your name? Louder. Louder, baby. What's your name? Okay, how old are you, Saya? 5. Okay, face on your right. Like this. And smile. Okay, face on the other side. Okay, you stand straight lang, Saya. And smile. Okay, face front. Do you know how to sing? No? How about let it go? You don't know? Okay, so when I say action, I want you to pretend that you're eating the hamburger. Okay, you say, so yummy. Can you try? Action. So say, so yummy. Okay, can you see na lang your smile? Happy face. Happy. What about your sad face? Can I see your sad face? Okay, smile.